students, today we will start our next chapter of chemistry, that is metal and non-metal, and the topic is physical properties of metal and non-metal. In this chapter we will study physical properties of metal, physical properties of non-metal, and chemical properties of metal. Reaction of metal with air and water, reaction of metal with acid, and reaction of metal with other metal salts. Last, the reaction of metal with non-metal. In this video, we will discuss physical properties of metal and non-metal. Okay. The first, we will discuss the physical properties of metal. Students, here we will discuss the exceptional cases also. All the metals, जितनी भी metal होती हैं, that are solid. Okay, it means if we see their face, they are in solid phase. But we have one metal, that is mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Mercury is liquid at room temperature. Or these exceptional cases are very important. All metals are hard. जितनी भी metal हैं वो hard होती हैं. But some metals are soft also. We can cut them with the help of knife. And these are lithium, potassium, sodium. These are the soft metals. Okay, students. All metals have a special type of luster, metallic luster, shine. Okay, their surface is shiny. The fourth one is metals are malleable. What do you mean by malleable? The metal can be convert into thin wire. जब भी metal को हम beat करते हैं with the help of hammer, we can convert into thin sheets. Okay, this is called malleability. The metal piece can be converted into thin sheet. This is called malleability, and metals are malleable. Metals are ductile. What do you mean by ductile? Ductile means that metal can be drawn into wires. Metal को wire में convert किया जा सकता है. Metal have high melting point. Some metals, these again exceptional cases, gallium and cesium, they have low melting point. Even when we keep them on our palm, okay, अपने हाथ पर हमने रखा तो ही ये पिघल जाती हैं. So please learn these exceptional cases. Gallium and cesium, even being metal, have very low melting point. All other metals have high melting point. Similarly, metals have high boiling point. Metals are good conductor of heat. Okay, now which metal is the best conductor? The best conductor is silver. Okay, silver is the best conductor. Copper is also a good conductor. Poor conductors are lead and mercury. Lead and mercury both are metals, but they are not conductor. Okay, metal are good conductor of electricity. Okay, ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को भी कंडक्ट करती हैं. मेटल आर सोनोरस. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सोनोरस? A special type of sound when we beat them or when it will strike with a hard surface, a special kind of sound produces. Hence the metal are sonorous. Which is the most ductile metal? ये भी आपको याद रखना है. Most ductile metal, gold. Gold is a have the highest ductility. 1 gram gold can be converted into 2 kilometer. Okay, so please learn these exceptional cases. Now we will discuss the physical properties of non-metal. Non-metal are just reverse. Non-metal may be solid, liquid or gas. If we see the liquid non-metal is bromine. Okay, solid carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, these are solid. Gases, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, these all are gases. Non-metals are soft. As the metals are hard, non-metals are soft. Diamond is a allotrope of carbon. ये नॉन मेटल है, कार्बन नॉन मेटल है, इट मीन्स डायमंड इज ऑल्सो नॉन मेटल. इट इज़ hardest natural occurring substance. Okay, and this is not a soft material. Non metals do not have luster. कोई शाइन नहीं होती, but there is also an exceptional case, that is iodine crystals have luster. Non metals are non malleable, non ductile, ना इनसे शीट्स बन सकती, ना वायर बन सकते. नॉन मेटल विच आर सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड have low melting point. Non-metal which are solid and liquid have low boiling point. It means non-metals have low melting and boiling point. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat and as well as electricity, but there is a exceptional case, that is graphite, which is also a allotrope of carbon. This is good conductor. Okay students, it has a luster also. Non-metal are non-sonorous. They doesn't produce any sound on strike on any hard surface. These are the physical properties of non-metals. Okay students, thank you. That's all for